Today I picked up, or I ordered online, the OLM third brake light for my WRX. Obviously it will fit into this little tiny hole right here. I'll show you how to get to it real quick. But with the new on their website, you get the wiring harness as well, so it's a little bit easier. It's a plug and play. So I'll show you how to get started. I ended up picking up the one that's clear with the white bar, and then this is all the included hardware. It's the bracket to hold it and the mounting bolts. For this install, it's a little bit easier to remove the fender liner and the inside. So there's these two clips right here, one right here, one right there, and then that one right there if you can see it. I'll get to that. Obviously we'll remove this little carpeted area right here, so it's a little bit easier, and I'll get down to it in a little bit. Now for routing purposes, we're going to use this hole right here. It should be able to be easily removed, like so, hopefully. There's going to be 4 pop clips, one right here, one right here, one back here, and then another one right here. And that should just make it easier. So as you can see, it's a little 4 pop clips. I couldn't really get the camera in there that well, but there's 2 on top, 2 on bottom. As easily as just pressing them down and pushing the thing out, and then I'll clean this up right quick. So as you guys can see in there, kind of, I'll try and highlight it. There's 2 holes right there, which this bracket's gonna line up to. But this pop clip, the inner circle will go on the outside, or the inside. I can try and do a time lapse for you guys, but it's not really probably going to be the best. So, as you guys can see right there, I don't have a flashlight with me, but there's a bolt right there, and then a pop clip on the other side, as seen right here. Alright everybody, I kind of ran into some issues, but after a long time, as you can see, I just got all these, and for the F1 kind of style and how it's supposed to be wired up correctly, the feed coming from the actual rear brake light for the F1 style brake light, the blue wire goes into the red into the plug-in, the red goes into yellow, and then black into black. And then that should be it. And then everything worked out fine. I'll post a video of it on up right now. But other than that, it turned out really nice. Thanks for watching.